All right, congratulations, you finally made it to this project. Okay, so you have successfully completed 6 thumbnails. The last one actually having you add your curved line so that you understand how the project is going to work. So, you've been using a 5-inch tracer. That's no good to you anymore. You are now going to have to freehand your project. You need one 10-inch square on a 12-inch piece of paper, and it needs to be centered. So, what is the answer to this mathematical problem? I hope that you answered 2. Very good. So, I have 2 inches to spare for a 10-inch square. However, if I want it to be centered, I need to take 2 and divide that in half, leaving how much space on every side of my square? 1 inch. So for this, you're going to want to take your paper and you're going to want to take your ruler. Remember, the 0 in my class is the edge of the ruler. You're going to want to line up 1 inch on all 4 sides of your paper. So you want to be in the corners of your paper somewhat. Every side of your square is going to need 2 lines. Now, if I've done this correctly, I play connect the dots on the same side of the paper. All right. Now, I know you can't see the whole square because my screen is too small, but there is a 10-inch square that is centered in my paper. Okay, so that's the first thing you're going to have to do. If you want, you can take the time at the beginning to go ahead and trace. I would use the ruler because you guys are going to be graded on the straightness of your lines. Again, I've been doing things long enough that I can pretty much get away with some bad habits. That just means I'm really old. Alright, so there is my 10-inch square on my 12-inch piece of paper. Remember, you get to pick your vertical line, or your horizontal, your diagonal, and you get to pick your curve. Remember, with the curve, you have to have its reflection. So my curve today, on this one, and then I have to draw. Remember, we have to give it thickness. Your curve is going to look however you want it to look. Now, I want to be a little bit more challenged, so I'm going to give myself something inside my shape as well. All right, so this is going to be the negative line that exists within my frame. All right, and then remember, you've already proven you can use a ruler. Okay, you're going to be graded on 1/4 inches. So every mark on my paper has to be at the 1/4 inch. Now, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch the whole thing, but you'll see what this looks like in class for your actual project. Stay tuned. Good luck. Remember, 10-inch square, centered, your choice of a straight line, your choice of a curved line, and then 1/4 inch spacing. Straight. You must use the ruler. Good luck.